What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best metal 3D printers to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Speed 3D Metal 3D printers are the fastest, most robust, and deployable additive manufacturing solution in the world. The Metal 3D printers use a unique patented cold spray process. This technology works by generating a high-velocity stream of compressed air using a rocket engine. A metal powder is then added to this stream of air, and traveling at about a mile a second, this metal powder is then fired at a substrate, which is maneuvered by a robotic arm. The kinetic energy generated fuses the particles together to form parts. This process makes solid, full-density metal parts up to 40 kilograms at the extreme speed of 3.5 ounces or 100 grams per minute. This advanced technology not only revolutionizes the speed at which you can create 3D metal parts, but also dramatically reduces the cost. The Speed 3D process works with a range of materials including aluminum 6061, copper, aluminum bronze, stainless steel, and much more. COVID-19 has also highlighted just how fragile the global supply chain is. Even when it is working efficiently, sourcing metal parts via the global supply chain may take many days, weeks, or months, and fast-tracking delivery can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Pre-programmed digital inventories can also be stored on the system. This makes it easy to find and use parts that are needed quickly or in an emergency. The system is pre-validated for compliance, so all you need to do is follow the recipe to generate the parts safely. Speed 3D have also developed a ruggedized, containerized metal printing solution that is easily transported. This solution can operate on a vessel or on the back of a truck, making it ideal for industries that work in remote locations like defense, oil, gas, and mining. Speed 3D parts have been built and tested in the most extreme conditions and fast-paced environments. For example, Speed 3D printed parts for the S5000 racing cars at the Melbourne Formula 1, and the technology has been extensively field-tested by the Australian Army. Speed 3D has won several awards for its work with defense, including the Australian Land Force's SME Innovation of the Year and the U.S. Defense Strategies Institute's Award for Expeditionary 3D Printing. Strengthen your supply chain with the world's fastest, most robust, deployable metal additive manufacturing.
Hi, I'm Tom from Rapidia, and today I'll talk about our new metal 3D printing system. It uses a water-based paste to print strong parts from both metal and ceramic. It's similar to existing bound metal printers, but with 3 major advantages. The first is that these machines are all you need to go from a CAD file to a strong finished part. You don't need an additional debinder. The second advantage is that we've done away with the need for most extensive metal support and a raft or a base plate under your part. And this allows you to save printing time, material, and money. The third advantage is that since the part after the printer is made of a water-soluble material, with simply a paintbrush and some water, you can bond 2 components together to make a more complex shape. And this also saves on material and support. Let's go through the process. The material comes in a cartridge, for example, 17-4 precipitation hardening steel. You add it to the station here, and there are spaces for 4 cartridges on the printer. It feeds to 2 print heads, which are separate and can move independently. This allows you to print 2 copies of the same part, mirror images, different parts, or alternatively, you can print a complex part with support. Once you're done printing, you simply remove the part and then move on, and then it's time for the furnace. So our furnace has quite a large volume, which allows you to sinter many components at the same time. It's also graphite free, which allows you to sinter even the most demanding metals. And finally, it plugs into a standard 240 volt outlet like you'd have in your kitchen for your stove. Let's open it up, and we'll put the part in. Now you go to the computer and you select the material, and we have a number of predefined cycles for the materials that we're able to print. You press run, and the part will be finished in the morning.
Renishaw is a market-leading provider of metal additive manufacturing systems. So, why do manufacturers across the globe choose our RenAM 500Q? We partner with customers all over the world who are looking for a reliable and effective solution for their industry's needs. Renishaw has 50 years of experience in delivering innovative excellence for our customers. We're ready to support your additive manufacturing journey with expert guidance at every stage of production. Move from prototyping to production with the RenAM 500Q.
So the 500Q's cost effectiveness really comes from its productivity. Our global customers use the RenAM 500Q for volume manufacturing in sectors like medical and dental, aerospace, automotive, consumer electronics, energy, tooling and defence. Real parts for real applications, generating real revenue. Why the RenAM 500Q? Faster, cost-effective, quality. With 4 lasers that address the entire powder bed, you can build at up to 150 cubic centimetres an hour.
Faster builds mean maximising your productivity.
Renishaw's RenAM 500Q makes cost-effective volume production a reality. With 4 lasers in a compact machine footprint, you can increase your capacity without increasing factory size. 500Q customers are reducing cost per part with our high productivity 4-laser system.
The intelligent gas flow and precision control of the RenAM 500Q enables you to produce consistent and repeatable part quality with unrivaled detail and precision. We're talking more than 99.9% density, maximised strength and ductility across the whole build plate. Renishaw's technology means the 500Q can achieve the kind of accurate, detailed builds that other systems simply can't match.
Benefit from Renishaw's global customer support, including in-country service engineers, ensuring maximum machine uptime.
Optimise every stage of production with integrated build preparation and quality monitoring software. Our additive manufacturing systems are ready for the fully automated factory of the future, but they also integrate with traditional production lines.
The uniform extraction of process emissions, exceptionally low oxygen and moisture content, and consistent optical control eliminates sources of chemical, microstructure, or mechanical defects. Why the RenAM 500Q? Faster and more cost-effective without compromising on quality.
By leveraging and extending HP Multijet fusion technology for printing 3D plastics, HP Metaljet can propel your business forward with the most advanced metals 3D printing technology for mass production. Get ready to take on new jobs and unlock new revenue streams. Inside the printer, the carriage features 6 print heads arranged across 2 print bars. Up to 4 different nozzles can print HP binding agent in the same 21 micron grid on the powder bed, providing 4 times nozzle redundancy. The printing process starts by spreading a layer of metal powder. Then, HP Metaljet binding agent is jetted at precise locations onto the powder bed to define the geometry of single or multiple parts. The energy source helps evaporate liquid components and cure the material. Once printing and depowdering processes are complete, a high-strength green part is removed from the build unit and sintered using an industry-standard sintering solution. The loose powder is recovered from the HP Metaljet powder removal station and transferred to the HP Metaljet powder management station, where it is automatically mixed, sieved, and loaded into another build unit for the next job. HP MetalJet breaks through the productivity, quality, and cost constraints of existing 3D printing technologies for metals. Compared to powder bed fusion, HP MetalJet produces more isotropic grain structure in the sintered part, resulting in more uniform material properties. Compared to metal injection molding, HP MetalJet technology eliminates the time-consuming debinding process, freeing up to 20 hours from your workflow. Now you can accelerate innovative designs and products and efficiently produce high-quality 3D metal parts at scale. Get ready to experience unlimited capabilities. HP MetalJet.
So that's it for the top 5 best metal 3D printers to buy right now. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest video.